Hi everybody, this is Jennifer. I am here today to give you a short tutorial on how to use the library and where to find support for your essays that you would like to have edited before you turn them in. First, let's get acquainted with our homepage for our class. Some of you may notice that it's changed. The layout changed beginning this summer, and what we used to call the news is now announcements, which you can see right here. And what we used to call the Dropbox is now assignments, which you can see right here. I want all of you to read our syllabus in full, which you can find here. There is a link for research, which is very important, and here's the library link. I'm also going to go straight back to the front page or the course homepage and show you the link to the library here. Online library, research database, the full website, and films on demand. In our introduction post, you're asked to either watch a film or read an article and post a small summary about that. This is where you can find it. Let's go straight into the library website. It gives you a few options: research databases, research guides, some tutorials if you're having trouble with the library, and help with citations. Let's click Help with Citations, because this is where most students lose most of their points. In this class, we only use the American Psychological Association version of citations, and you can find the guide right here, Purdue OWL APA Guide. You click it and it will open in a new window. This is where you can get 99% of your questions answered. There's even a sample paper. Let me show you in the library how to find a citation with the article that you're going to read. We're going to go back. Froze my computer. There we go. And we're going to go right into the databases. We're going to choose psychology, and then it lists all of the things for psychology that you can search in. Academic Search Complete, Search Premier, etc. We're just going to scroll down to the Psychology and Behavioral Sciences collection for now. Click that, and then you can log into the database right here. You're going to need your student ID number when it comes up. There we go. I've already put in my student ID number or my faculty ID number and logged in, and it brings you to this home page. So one of the things you're going to search for in a future assignment are the ethics of animal research. So let's try that. There it is. And we'll search. Gives us 17 distinct journal articles. Let's just go with this first one so I can show you the citation. Luckily, it's a full text article. We can click on the full text. We can read the entire article in our computer. You can download it using that icon or print it using this icon. What I find particularly helpful is this little icon right here. It looks like a page. If you hover over it, it says Cite. These are your citations. Click it and it shows you all of the options for citations. For us, because this is a psychology class, we're only using APA. So you can see that right here. Do not use MLA, which is all the way down here. If it says works cited, it's MLA. You'll lose points for that. So all APA are references. And what I want you to do is just highlight, copy, and then you're ready to paste it into whatever document you're working on. It's that simple, but make sure to double check it because it's not always 100% correct. So that's the easy way to find a citation for your journal article. Let's go back to our course homepage here. The other thing I want to show you is very, very important, is the BrainFuse link, 24-hour online tutoring. This is where you can submit an essay or paper that you would like to have edited before you turn it in to me. Or sometimes I'll ask you to turn it in because there's so many grammar errors and you need help editing it before I'll give you a grade. This is how you would do it. So here's the writing lab. CCC Online has a limit of 10 submissions. So we're not going to do this for every single paper because you'd run out of options, but when in need, here is your option. Hopefully this gives you a good overview of the class. You can always see all of our announcements. I'm going to give you due dates here. If you missed an announcement, go all the way down here, show all the announcements, even the old ones. Make sure you check the syllabus. Again, this is where you're going to find a lot of your answers right in here. Here is our digital textbook. Our quizzes are inside the digital textbook. The first time you access this, you must click the Learning Space Grade Refresh button. That way it will import all of your quiz grades to me. It also opens up our online textbook. And since I'm the teacher, it tells me this, but you wouldn't see this. You would go straight into here. All of your assignments are in here. You can view all of them. They're under here, or here. You can click on assignments, and then all of the class assignments. And this is where you're going to find all of your quizzes. If it has the little orange button here where it says gradable, that's the one you have to take. Anything else are practice tests that aren't counted. I can see some of you have already started it. And when they're all submitted, I can see them right here. We'll go back to our course home. If you have any questions, my email is always going to be down here at the bottom, right there. Let me know. And, oh, that's my personal email. I'll have to edit that. It's cccs.edu instead of Gmail, but it's the same name. Hopefully that's a lot of help and you've made it all through the 8 minutes of this tutorial. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.